Today I have this orange look for you. I hope you will enjoy it. I'm going to start off with a TV paint stick as foundation, and I'm using a sponge to apply it. I'm going to use white TV paint stick just to bring out the highlights of the face. So underneath right here, above the lip, in the middle forehead. On the bit, I'm blending this out with a sponge. I'm going to use a Ben Nye powder, and this is in Fair. I'm going to use it in the T-zone and all over the under eye area. Now onto the eyes, I'm going to start off using this eyeshadow right here, this orange, and a fluffy blending brush, and I will sweep it in the crease up to the brow bone. Very, very blended and feathery. So I'm just going to grab a clean fluffy brush and blend up to the brow bone. Now I have another palette here with a very intense orange shade, and this I'm going to use all over the eyelid. I'm going to take our first brush and just marry the two together. I'm going to take that intense orange shade on a pencil brush and just go underneath the eye, and we're going to go all the way to the corner right here. So it's like a cloud of orange on the top and then intense neon orange on the bottom. I'm just going to blend this orange underneath just so it doesn't look so harsh. Now I'm going to take another pencil brush and just pop this white from the palette just on the high point of the eyebrow. I'm going to use a black liner to tightline and put the black in the waterline as well to help the eyeshadow pop. Now I'm just lining the top as well just to smudge it. I will curl my lashes, add mascara and some 3D lashes. For the eyebrows I'm going to keep it very, very light. I'm just going to brush through, and I'm just going to add a couple of hairs wherever is the most sparse. But I want them to look very, very natural. Like that's literally it. I'm also going to add some gel just to break them up a little bit. I'm going to use Hoola bronzer and a big fluffy brush. I'm going to bronze up the face, so whenever the sun would naturally hit, so the top of the cheeks, right here, across the nose, on the forehead. This kind of orange can make the skin look really washed out, so just make sure that you add enough bronzer to put that life back into the skin. I'm just refreshing the concealing under the eye as well, and I'm just using the same TV paint stick color that I used all over my face. Now I will add a highlighter. And just make sure that everything is in synergy with the face. So you don't want any harsh lines. I'm also using a bit on my Cupid's bow. I will also use an orange blush from this e.l.f. palette. And I just want a pop of blush right here on the apple of the cheek. For lips, I'm using a liner first. Now I'm just going to add a layer of peachy orangey gloss, which I think will go really well with this. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. For more makeup tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. And just make sure everything is with synergy. And just make sure that everything is in synergy with the face.